It's fall. Yeah, and this year I didn't miss fall or winter, and yeah, I haven't enjoyed summer in the fullest because it wasn't the warmest one, and I would gladly enjoy a few more warm months, but here we are, and we need a bit of an adjustment. We need to adjust our wardrobe to take warmer clothes. I already did. And also we need to update our skincare routine to adjust it to fall. And it's not a marketing, guys. We need warmer clothes and we need thicker products and probably some actives to introduce into our routine. And let's talk how to adjust your skincare routine to fall but not spend a fortune on it. And a small disclaimer here, guys, you certainly don't need to throw away all your summer products, not at all. By all means, finish them all and only after this start new products. You don't throw great skincare away. No. So yeah, one more thing before we start, and it's different thing if you live in a northern country like I, or if you live in a southern country when it's warm outside, when it's summer all day round, all year round. It's two different things, and of course you have to adjust your skincare routine if your climate is changing, if it becomes more dry inside, if it's colder outside, if it's windy, like in my country, it's cold outside, it's humid outside, it's always rainy, but we turn the heating on and it's dry inside, so my skin feels off. And if you live in a southern country when it's summer all year round, maybe some plus minus 10 degrees, you basically don't need to do anything. If it's working, it's okay, don't change anything, but if you feel it's a little bit off, continue watching this video. First things first, let's talk about the environment you live in. I already talked about it in previous last year fall video, fall skincare video. I talked about humidifier, so I won't repeat myself. Just need to take the water. And this, guys, what happens if you go to ceramics class but you are lazy and you want to finish something faster than you actually need to. Look at this mug. Look at, just so you understand the size of it, it's almost like my head and the design is off. I just cannot throw it away because I kind of made it myself. I don't know. Okay, so let's talk humidifiers and why is this important? I just said that we are not going to talk about humidifiers and yeah. Okay, let's quickly talk about humidifiers and why are they important? Simply because the environment you live in, it's going to influence your skin and your skin needs to get used to this environment. And actually, don't worry, don't be too crazy about all the changes, about all the skincare routines, about all the adjustments. Your body is smart and your body will and your skin will adjust itself, but you just need to help it by buying a humidifier to a little bit increase the humidity at home, so it will be easier for you to breathe at night and your nose won't get dry and you won't get the infections that easily, you know, when your mucous membranes in your mouth, in your nose are not working great properly, you will get some infections easier than usual. To maintain your immunity, just get a humidifier. It will be easier altogether to breathe, for your skin to live. Yeah, so get a humidifier. And also don't forget to drink water, and maybe if it's dry inside you would want to drink more water because you are actually losing your water to the environment because the environment is dry and you may want to drink more water. Please do so, listen to your body. So we need an adjustment in our skincare routine, and as an example I would give you my summertime routine. And in the morning I would usually just wash my face with water, then I will go with a toner. Yes, I very much enjoyed toners this summer, and I said before that I would not spend my money on toners. If you're interested, here is this video, but I am interested in toners now, especially in summer. It was such an amazing, hydrating and lightweight product, and it comes in big bottles, so the one bottle lasted me pretty much a month. I was just layering it. I was putting like 2 or 3 layers of toner, and then I would finish with sunscreen or moisturizer plus sunscreen, usually just a sunscreen, and then I would go out and about anything, whatever. So yeah, I really love toners now. And that's how opinions change, guys. That's why I'm always telling you that it's your skin, and if you like something, go for it. Don't listen for any skincare influencer or any celebrity who tells you that toners are amazing, you have to use it. You don't have to use anything. You don't have to use literally anything but sunscreen. Of course. Okay, cleanser. I would cleanse and use a sunscreen, and basically you don't need anything else in your skincare routine. So in the evening I would double cleanse, or I would just go for gentle cleanser if I'm lazy. If I'm lazy, I would actually go just for gentle cleanser and moisturizer, and if I'm not lazy, I would go some serum for barrier repair or hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. I have some serums in my rotation. I would show it to you. And yeah, guys, don't push yourself. Skincare is a self-care, and if you push yourself, if you make yourself do something, it's not a self-care. And if you are tired, if you are lazy, by all means, just clean your makeup, just clean your sunscreen, clean your face, cleanse your face, and put on some moisturizer. It's still better than if you do nothing. And if you even do nothing for once, nothing will happen. We all are just humans. And yes, you hear me right, I didn't use actives for all of the summer, I think. Even, yeah, in the May we were in US, so I didn't use much of a skincare too. So basically, I haven't used any actives. With actives, I mean retinoids and acids. I haven't used the retinoids and acids since April. Wow. And now I'm starting to slowly adjust my skincare routine to the fall, and I already booked my microneedling session. And microneedling, you know, it's puncturing. You are puncturing your skin with needles, and it creates a damage, and our skin will fight the damage. It will renew skin cells, it will produce more collagen, and that way you like prevent the aging, correct some aging signs. And yeah, I like microneedling, and if you want to see my video about microneedling, it's here. So what else I do with my skincare routine? So yeah, I switch to thicker products, I renew my microneedling sessions, then I order my snail mucin essence again, and I skipped my snail mucin essence for 3 or 4 months. Just I had a lot of other products to use. So yeah, I am taking my snail mucin essence back to my routine, and I really love it. It's my ride or die, and it does wonders to my skin. I've seen what's happening on TikTok with the snail mucin essence, and there are many videos talking about how the snail mucin essence is bad, how it made them break out, and I feel very sorry for those guys. But you need to remember one thing, that everything, literally everything, can cause allergies, and everything has side effects. And that is why brands always ask you guys to do a patch test prior to use this product on your face. And if you do a patch test on your arm or behind the ear and you see this product is breaking you out, or you see the redness, inflammation, don't use it. It doesn't mean that the product is bad, it just means that you have allergies or you have sensitivity towards the ingredients inside this product. And I know many brands try to make hypoallergenic products, but nowadays you can't really know, because hypoallergenic products also can cause allergies right now. People are becoming more and more allergic. I don't know what's happening, but it is like this. And I know that many kids have atopic dermatitis right now. And also that is why I am saying that what works for me won't necessarily work as good for you, because you have your own skin. Skincare is very personal, and snail mucin works wonders on my skin, and that's why I'm talking about it, because I know this works for me. And if this doesn't work for you, if it breaks you out, I'm very sorry. But also there are a lot of products for you to love, also a lot of amazing ingredients, a lot of amazing products. That's why it's great to have a that variety of the products. So then I'm also starting to incorporate the vitamin C into my routine, and I got the one from Paula's Choice is C15 Super Booster, 15% vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid, and these are all antioxidants. I got it as a gift from Paula's Choice. Thank you, Paula's Choice. You are amazing. I love your brand. Thank you for this. Yeah, and this video is not sponsored, guys. And yeah, it was just a gift. And guys, vitamin C, as I said before, is an antioxidant. Antioxidants help to protect our skin cells, our cells in our body from the damage of free radicals. And this is avoiding the oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is actually one of the reasons of premature aging. It also can protect us from the sun damage. It's not a sunscreen and it doesn't replace sunscreen, guys. But if you use your vitamin C with a sunscreen, it will also help you avoid the sun damage. And it's also a tyrosinase inhibitor. Tyrosinase inhibitors, they stop tyrosinase, so they basically stop melanin production and avoid hyperpigmentation. And if you want to know more about treating hyperpigmentation, watch this video. And yeah, vitamin C is really a great ingredient if you find the right products, and vitamin C products tend to be on the expensive side, which I actually don't like. But also I understand that it's pretty difficult to make a stable vitamin C, or L-ascorbic acid is the active form of C vitamin. As an antioxidant, is the first one to oxidize, and yeah, that is the biggest problem with vitamin C serums. They oxidize pretty quickly, so you need to close them. Really really make sure that you close them, because if the air goes in there, it oxidizes. And yeah, vitamin C serums are very pricey. For example, SkinCeuticals and the Drunk Elephant one, and this one actually also is very pricey. I don't know the price, I will write it somewhere here, but it's 20 milliliters and I know it's like over 50. So I'm very happy to get it as a gift to try and then decide if I want to continue with this or if I'm gonna save my money. And currently I've been using this for 2 weeks every day in the morning, and I really like it. I first used it by itself on the clean skin, on the clean dry skin, and I had a little bit of tingling going on, but it went away very quickly. So I decided maybe it's better to actually mix it with some serum or moisturizer, and now I'm mixing it with hyaluronic acid from the Inky list. And yeah, it says once or twice a day apply to face and neck. Maybe use alone or add it to your favorite moisturizer or serum. For daytime, always follow with a sunscreen. Yeah. So yeah, vitamin C is a great ingredient to add, but if you don't have a budget for it, and I usually don't have, but I also have a great vitamin C serum for you from Korean brands, I will add it here. Yeah, and it's a slightly cheaper version, but I've used it before and I really like it. I actually used it last year and I really liked it. So guys, let's sum it up how to adjust your skincare routine to fall and not spend a fortune. So first we need to switch to thicker products. For example, if you used lightweight lotions, go for creams, use your lotions before. And how to make your lotion work if you don't want to invest into a rich moisturizer, just invest into some hydrating or moisturizing serums. Go for hyaluronic acid, go for niacinamide, go for some barrier repair serums. Korean skincare is actually the best for me in terms of the ingredients for serums. I don't need my moisturizers to be of a perfect ingredient list. I don't want my moisturizer to do the magic, I want my serums or my toners to do the magic. So yeah, I go for hydrating serums like snail mucin essence. It hydrates and plumps my skin like magic, really. And then I just go for my summer moisturizer, or if I've already invested into my winter moisturizer, I go for my winter moisturizer. You just need to see how your skin reacts, and don't change all your products at once. Introduce one product after a week, a second one after a week, the third one, because now because that's how you know if the product suits you. Yeah, or if you just go for a new routine all at once and you will break out, you don't know what product doesn't suit you. And if you guys have the acne prone skin, there is the website called Acne Clinic where you can analyze the product ingredient list. So just copy the ingredient list you need, just click the check, and then it will tell you if it's suitable for acne prone skin, if it has some pore cloggers inside, or if it doesn't. And that is how I also check my products, but I don't have really an acne prone skin, but some products break me out. And I hate it when I invested in the product, which is also pricey one, and it breaks me out and I cannot use it, and I hate it. So the return of the active, pick a product, vitamin C, snail mucin essence, microneedling, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'm doing, and I'm doing it slowly. I don't go and spend fortune at once. I go one step by step. I go step by step, and I slowly adjust my routine for fall. And it's like a transition period, so yeah. Basically, I'm preparing my skin to winter. And currently, I would really love myself an LED mask, and it has studies behind it, and I saw it works amazing on people's skin, and I would really love myself one, so I'm saving for that. Instead of buying like overpriced moisturizers, overpriced serums, I would better go for such affordable brands like the Inkilis, the Ordinary, Bioma, others, especially also Korean brands, which are affordable, and all Korean brands are affordable. Affordable, and yes, so you don't need to spend a lot of money for your skincare routine to be great. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video, put the thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!